Might be wondering what the hell is this? Well, this is bushmeat. On a sunny day, me and my guys decided to go out and try out bushmeat and palm wine. So I decided to take you guys along. So let's go and get it.
It's my YouTube channel. I am Yomi Black. We are here on the street of Ibadan. This is Akala Express. We are going inside Shiba now to explore where we get bushmeat and palm wine. Yeah. If you are joining for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button and follow for more content. And if you are coming back as a subscriber, you are doing MVP. I love you. Subscribe. Love you guys. Subscribe. Now we are actually going to where we can take a bike to Shiba. If you are trying to locate where Shiba is, this is Akala Express. You can pass Akala Express, or you can go from Bembo, then you take or Apata. You can take a bike from Apata going to Shiba. Or if you are in Akala Express, when you get to Kuala, you can see a bike going to Shiba. Oh, look and some look vibe you. On our way to Shiba, we plan to buy car for our brother. But do you think this car was can buy the bike from here also. You know what I'm done on big really. Let's go. I don't think no far. Yeah, let's go. Already bought a bike and we are going to
Getting a bike from here is just 1,000 naira, but the bike man might be saying 1,500 or 2,000. But if you be Odogu, if you pay 1,500 now or 2,000. A popular landmark to get to Shiba is Ulukoyi Mosque or Kurotola Police Station. No go dey look say na small journey dey go. Approximately to get to Shiba, you have to be on bike for about 17 to 20 minutes, depending on your rider. Disclaimer: this is a stress-free zone. If you get any bukata ready for your mind, drop am for gate, because if you enter here, put 1 or 2 palmi for your body go dey alright. You go imagine how we go dey after 1 hour we dey Shiba, after we don put palmi for body.
Doing this because of you guys. We are doing this because of you guys. We want you guys to know how Shiba look like.
Without doing too much, we begin what we came here for: the bushmeat and the palm wine. And the prices varies from 4,000 upward. So if you are coming here, you know what to expect. And here we opt in for the fried and pepper meat. And according to the woman selling the meat, she said this is oya.
This bite is for you. When you get here, you have a choice to pick whatever meat you want, and depends on the price. If you want big meat like this, bush meat that is bigger than your head, you see. But depending on the price, the budget you is there. Like this one now, you see the kind of meat. You see the kind of meat, like you see. So depending on the price you want, yeah. And you can get a 5 liter per month just like this. Cheers, long life and prosperity. Yes, good.
I think say now see how everybody is maintaining stills and composure. After 5 minutes, we permit enter body, go see wetin go sup. Make I no bore you with all wetin we dey do there. Just enjoy the video. If you are still watching the video to this point, that means you enjoy the content I put here. You enjoy the vibe and everything. I would love you to be my friend by hitting the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification button. And I would love to see you relate and interact with me in my comment section.
This is us
stew.
at 30 minutes in Chiba.
There are many parts I can't even include in this video because they are just too funny, and maybe I might get banned from YouTube. As you can guess, it stayed till 6:46, and here's us after we drank palm wine and eating bushmeat, and we are about to head home. Thank you for watching the video, and if you are just joining for the first time, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.